Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a debit card to your Coinbase account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Coinbase application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application, where you can see you can go ahead and sign up for a new account or sign in to an existing one. So guys, after signing into your account, go ahead and log in, and after doing that, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the new home page, where at the bottom of the screen you can see all the options you can access, such as the home section. You can see all of your assets, you can see the trades, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how you add a debit card. And guys, adding a debit card is very easy and you only need a couple of steps. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and click the three lines right here in the upper left corner. So guys, go ahead and click the three lines right here that you can see. So here are the three lines that you want to click, and go ahead and click on that, and this will now open up a new menu in your application, where in the menu options you have the option to go ahead and select the payment methods. So guys, go ahead and find the payment methods in your menu, and here you can go ahead and add your payment method. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and open up that menu option, and then you want to select to add a new credit card or new debit card, and then you want to enter in your info. So guys, after filling out all of your info, you will be able to successfully add it, and after that it will automatically be saved to your Coinbase account and you'll be able to purchase with your debit card or withdraw money. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.